Gunpla at its core has always been about more than plastic. As we say here in Perfect Grade Studios, you're not just building Gunplas, you're building something bigger. And in the Philippines, it means building several communities. Gundam's popularity here exploded with Gundam Wing on Filipino TV in the late 90s, sparking the plastic model kit of the same name to be sold all across the country. And what started as a shared love for Gundam slowly grew into communities, each with their own stories, struggles, and reasons for existing. Some groups were formed in the 90s when access to kits was limited and when online forums were the only avenue to talk online, before social media. Some were born from conversations between podcasters who wanted to give the community a voice. Others came from commission builders who turned their creativity and skill into livelihood. Competitions, in that sense, were never just about winning. They were excuses to gather, reasons to share ideas, moments to pass knowledge down. Proof that this hobby survives because people choose to build together. In the next few weeks, us at Perfect Grade Studios will be releasing a short but meaningful series covering 4 competitions held between late November and mid-December. Each episode focused not just on the results, but on the story behind the groups who made them happen. And for our first stop, we go back to one of the OG Gundam groups in the Philippines, Mecha Pinoy. This is a special Christmas event. There was food, giveaways, a raffle, and at the heart of it all, a competition. SDCon, a Gunpla build competition dedicated entirely to SD kits. It's fitting, actually. SD kits are playful, expressive, and welcoming, much like the community Mecha Pinoy has built over the decades. But this episode isn't just about their Christmas party. It's about Mecha Pinoy's legacy, about how Filipino Gunpla culture continues to grow. This is the first story in our series. 4 competitions, 4 communities. One shared love for Gunpla, done the Filipino way. We are on our way to... Where are we going?
We're actually at Muntinlupa right now.
Yeah, this is
Are we?
Muntinlupa.
Oh, no, sorry. Yeah, Muntinlupa. We're in Muntinlupa
sorry.
right now. And we're going to another part of Muntinlupa on the other side. of Muntinlupa.
Where are we going?
We're in
Honestly, I have no
Philinvest
idea.
right now, so we're going to... Where are we going, Eric?
It says here we are going to Mecha Pinoy's Christmas party.
Christmas party!
So
And-
there's gonna be some Gundams,
Some Christmas.
Christmas, and party!
So Mecha Pinoy is having their yearly Christmas party, and they'll be also be having their an SD con.
SD contest.
Yeah, an SD contest. So we will be covering the event. So shout out to you guys from Mecha Pinoy. Thank you for having us.
This is
And,
actually our first time going
And
to
I
Mecha
think
Pinoy.
we're lost. Where are we going?
Alright, so for those who don't know, Mecha Pinoy is one of the oldest Gunpla or Mecha group?
Mecha groups.
Hobby group.
Hobby groups in
Yeah,
Philippines.
Hobby groups in the Philippines. And we were invited to cover the event, so yeah,
Thank you for having us.
thank you for having us.
So Mecha Pinay started around the 90s, late 90s. Kasi because back then, uso yung mga mailing list, di ba? So we were members, a group of Filipinos are members in the Gundam mailing list. So syempre, nagtatagalog kami. And you know, some American, I don't know, whoever, sabi niya, why don't you guys start your own group? Di ba? So parang, not essentially kicked out, but you know, parang nagsama din kami. So that was how Mecha Pinay was born. So 26 years since 1999. So we've already been active in our contests around 2 or 3 times a year. We have a good relationship with the Banki, yung distributor ng Gundam Philippines, owners of Gundam Philippines. We help out sa GBWC, GMKC. and other certain events. And we also have good ties with Arcom Paints. And this is Ryan, and this is Mike Tan, a legend. I'm Erwin, by the way. So, Erwin Sevilla. May mga batches kami. I think he's on the both of them are on the second batch. Ako yung talagang first batch. Diba? When I started, I was like a collector, and I was like, I commissioned people to paint kits. Pero later on, syempre, one of our members joked me na ako yung parang head ng grupo, pero I don't paint. So, nagpursige ako mag-paint, 'di ba? So, yun, nagsasali na rin ako sa mga contest.
So, after nun, nagkaroon ng first Gundam competition sa Philippines, mga 2001.
Bako?
Sa Anime Quest 2001. Wala pa si Banky na si Smarty Toys ba nun. And then doon ko nakilala yung ibang members ng Mecha Pinoy kasi after nun nag-usap-usap sa Gundam.com forums. Yun. So, kasi after a few months, nag-start na ng in-house competition. So, before nag-in-house competition kami, sa mga fast food. Kasi
Food court.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Palayas kami up. Ganun down ang Gantla in the very early 2000s. Yun. Tapos, after nun, nakasali yung ibang members namin sa IPMS. Ngayon, pumasok na naglagay sila ng mga display nila. Then, nalaman ng isang, taga-Banky, which is, pakuha pa lang nila yung license nila back then, na, makuha namin yung Gundam license. Naghahanap kami ng mga modelers to help launch the brand. Ayun. So, nagkaroon na ng partnership, and then, after nun, nag-start na yung mga contest year after year. So, unti-unti na nag-improve yung Gantla community sa Philippines as opposed to talaga yung before na very, very tago, very napakahirap kumuha ng mga kits. Yun, napakahirap kumuha ng mga materials. Ngayon, mas improve na siya until we got what we arrived today.
We are in our in-house contest, SDCon 18, and ito na rin yung parang Christmas party namin.
So, sir, every year Christmas party rin talaga?
Yeah.
And what are the members enjoying upstairs?
We have lots of pork, lots of rice, and lots of chili con carne, courtesy of Arvin Tan. Siya yung talagang espesyalista sa chili con carne namin. And also, get together, if you can drink booze, drink booze. Diba? We also have a raffle sa mga members din namin. Yeah.
So, sir, yung contest na to,
SDCon. SDCon, super deformed. Yung mga maliliit yung katawan, pero malalaki yung ulo. So, cute, mga chibi. Yun yung uso kasi sa mga Japanese, di ba? So, this is like our 18th contest under the SDCon category. So, we have two categories one is out of the box, and the other is modified. And, yun nga, talagang i-showcase ng mga members namin yung mga kits nila for the contest.
Why SD?
Kasi parang it's aside from the usual 144 scale, 100 scale, minsan kasi nakakalimutan din yung mga cute na SD ko. Kasi 'di ba, there's also a new line of SD ngayon, yung MGSD. 'Di ba? Yung mga may internal frame, 'di ba? Very high detail ganun. So parang just to give them an idea din na you can also paint these cute little things.
So, we're here with Harold. First of all, Sir Harold, congrats on winning the first place for the SDCon here at Mecha Pinoy Christmas Party. So, a few questions for your build. So, what do you think makes it special apart from the other participants?
I think yung skill niya kasi since yung others ang entry nila is yung regular SD and I went with MGSD, and also I think the color gradient helped with me on winning.
So what was your inspiration with the color scheme?
For the color scheme, I just used what I had in my room. Yeah.
I really like it. It has a very dark and void feel to it. So, okay, so will you be joining the other Mecha Pinoy upcoming contest?
Yes, in the future I will be joining.
What contest are you currently eyeing for?
Mostly the Formula 144.
Oh,
Since most of my entries are in 1:1:443.
all right. So thank you for taking the time for this interview, and congratulations on your win, Harold.
Perfect Rate Studios is now sponsored by Armored Komodo. Proudly made in the Philippines and trusted by builders around the world, Armored Komodo is the go-to brand for scale modelers who want pro-level results. Whether they're brushing, airbrushing, or weathering, Armored Komodo delivers unbeatable coverage, rich colors, and smooth finishes. The best paint in the Philippines, now supporting builders everywhere around the globe. Grab yours from select hobby shops or online stores today. People want to join Mecha Pinoy, what are the criteria?
Mike, did you have to, ano?
Actually, for Meka Pinoy, we're very open naman for memberships yung sa mga joining. We're not very strict on the criteria. Pero maliban lang doon sa yung Facebook group requirement that you have to answer the questionnaire, and medyo tayo sa bootleg kits, hindi tayo
Yeah,
pro bootleg.
respect the IPO.
Respect the IP lang. Just be chill. Be yourself lang. Basta be respectful of the other members. You're good. Kasi we're enjoying the mecha genre, the mecha theme, and the gunpla as yung parang hobby lang. Kasi lang naman tayo. Essentially, Mecha Pinoy is one barkada lang din naman eh. Mecha barkada lang din tayo.
And lastly, sir, where can people find Mecha Pinoy? So Facebook lang po ba? Do you have Instagram?
Right now, just Facebook lang kami. Yeah. Pero we'll consider if Instagram din naman and Twitter. Why not?
Sir, do you have any other questions? Okay lang, sir. Thank
Okay.
you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.